Merry Christmas and welcome to today's video. I am so excited for today's video because I've been wanting to do it forever. It is Buddy the Elf Spaghetti Challenge. If you don't know me, I am a huge fan of Christmas. I was raised to love Christmas. Like, this is my time of the year. The only time my house is completely decorated, or else it just looks like I just moved in. Buddy the Elf is my spirit animal, for real. I will link my Dancing Buddy the Elf video down below. Make sure to go check it out if you have not already. So before we get started with today's video, something just does not seem right. Let's see. Much better. Now I'm ready for the Buddy the Elf Spaghetti Challenge. Even this buddy's excited. So let's get started. Well, let me pull up a chair because this is gonna be fun.
Oh my gosh! Santa here? I know him.
I don't even know where to begin. But I got, oh shit.
I just like to smile. Smile is my favorite.
That's how this video is starting. All right, so Buddy the Elf Spaghetti. We've got the obvious spaghetti. We've got some M&Ms, marshmallows, s'mores Pop-Tarts, not chocolate, okay, I'm sorry. We got some sprinkles. We got some sugar-free chocolate syrup, because this buddy is a health nut, along with some Walden Farms syrup. Sorry it's not the real maple syrup, but this is what we have in this North Pole. So, oh, and I can't forget the world's best cup of coffee.
You did it! Congratulations!
All right.
World's best cup of coffee.
I honestly don't even know where to begin. This is gonna be interesting.
Great job,
but I have
everybody.
to get
It's great to meet you. Hi.
all right, enough selfies. All right, so I don't even know where to begin. I guess but chocolate syrup?
Is there sugar and syrup?
Yes.
Then yes.
You know what's funny is I don't even like spaghetti, so I don't know what's happening. Okay, sorry, let me put my phone away because that's rude. We got chocolate syrup. Let's get a Pop-Tart up in here. Anyways, what I was saying is, I don't even like spaghetti, so.
That's shocking.
Mama Elf made it too much growing up. I guess just one Pop-Tart. We have some marshmallows. Saved by the no thigh gap. Uh-oh. I got chocolate in my leggies. And some sprinkles. And last but not least, syrup. Elf's main food groups. Yum. Yum. Oh gosh. This is gonna be great. Let's see here. All right. Let's give this a whirl. I really hope this doesn't change my love for Buddy. It's actually not bad. It's like dessert. It's like spaghetti dessert. All right. I feel you, buddy. No, real MVP. It's actually really good. I'm probably gonna watch Elf tonight. Elf is my all-time favorite movie. Like, not just Christmas, all time. Yeah. If you couldn't tell already. It was really good. I honestly thought this was gonna be gross. And it's not. Like, I thought I was gonna have like one bite and be done. But no. I think this is gonna be my pre-workout for the gym. Is there sugar and syrup? Then yes. I'm like really bad at eating spaghetti. How have I not made this sooner? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's really good. I will say, I like Buddy's spaghetti. But spaghetti meatballs, not so much. That's good. But I have it on chocolate one. I'm gonna stop there, but I did want to try it. I wanted to make it, see what this Buddy's spaghetti breakfast is all about, and it is really, really good. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Try this recipe out. It is amazing. He knows what he's doing, so go check it out. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. More videos to come. Bye.